Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about the perimeter of circle, and we are going to give examples of IGCSE questions. The first thing that we have to do before we get to the perimeter of the circle, we're going to learn the basics of a circle. Now from the center to the edge of the circle, it is going to be called the radius, which I label here as R. Now in this video, I am not going to talk about the sector, the area of the circle. I'm just going to talk about the basics for the perimeter of the circle, or something that is needed to learn the perimeter of the circle. Now from the edge of a circle to the edge of a circle, as you can see here, is called the diameter of the circle, or I label here as D. And next thing I do is I put a line just to get this small section of the circle, the small edge of the circle I mean, which is called the minor arc of a circle. Then using another colored marker, I name the other edge of the circle. It is called the major arc. Now next thing I'm going to show you is the basic formula for the perimeter of the circle. It's going to be 2 times pi times r. And the pi here, you can either use 22 out of 7 or you can use 3.14. It is going to be the same value, or at least kind of same. And another formula for perimeter of the circle would be pi times d. Now, to find the arc of the circle, you're going to need x degree out of 360 degree. Whether it's major arc or minor arc, you're going to have to find the degree. Times 2 times pi times r. And we can also use the pi times d, so it's x degree out of 360 degree times pi times d. And that is the basic of the perimeter of a circle. So this is going to be our first example for the basic of a circle to find perimeter. As you can see in here, the radius is 7 centimeter and the diameter, it is not found. So we use the 2 pi r for the formula. So the perimeter of circle is equal to 2 times pi times r. 2 times the pi, as in 22 out of 7, because they're 7 centimeters, so we can cross it out directly. And so the answer would be 44 centimeter for the circumference of circle. Now this is going to be our first IGCSE example. Now it's gonna be, we're gonna have to find the perimeter of this figure. We have to find the perimeter of the shaded area. Now, as I wrote here, is the quarter of a circle, the perimeter. To find it, you can use the 1 out of 4, which is 90 degrees out of 360 degrees, so it's the same thing. And you can also find the perimeter of the half circle using the half, which is a substitute for the x degree out of 360 degrees. Now to find arc 1, which is the quarter of the circle, as the radius is 6 centimeter. So you're going to have to write 1 out of 4 times 3.14 times 2 times 6 centimeter. And this is equal to 9.42 centimeter. And for the next, we are going to have to find the second, which is the perimeter of the whole circle. You can use half times 2 times 3.14 times 3 centimeter. As the whole circle, the total is 6 centimeters, so to find the radius of it, you just have to divide it by 2, which means it will be 3 centimeters. And the total would be 9.42 centimeter. Now, to get the perimeter of this shaded area, you are going to have to sum all of this, as in the first is 9.42 centimeter plus the 9.42 centimeter, which is the half circle, and also the radius of this quarter of the circle, because since this is perimeter, so you have to include every side of the circle. 6 centimeter, and this equals to 24.8 centimeter.